Hi my babies, it's Cheryl and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this real quick eyeshadow look. Let me go grab my daughter because clearly she wants to be in the video. Hold on. In today's video, I just wanted to show you babies how I got this quick, simple, super easy eyeshadow look using one palette. And in this tutorial, I use the Nubian palette by Juvias Place. Super cute, super simple, earthy tones. It's like everything you need in one palette. This is what it looks like. It has couple foil shadows, couple shimmers, couple mattes, everything you need to create an everyday look. Earthy tones, super brown girl friendly, super black girl friendly, whichever shade you are. And I also didn't put on any lashes just because I didn't want to go too full on glam today. So this is my favorite mascara. It's the Lash Accelerator by Rimmel. Like, I've been using this for years. This mascara is like for the days that you don't want to wear any falsies, like any fake lashes or anything like that, but you still want to give some type of lash on, and even if it's your own. This is my all-time favorite, my favorite. I have tried many different mascaras and none of them compared to this for me, and I just love it. Whenever I don't want to put on any lashes but I still want some lashes, let me turn my light down so y'all can kind of, oh, that's up, there we go. When I don't want any lashes but I want lashes, this is everything. You know what I'm saying? This gives me what it is that I need. It is that I want. You know what I'm saying? So, it's super quick because I was just getting ready for work and I just was like, oh, well, let me show them something simple. I don't always have to come with something so dramatic because some people aren't as dramatic with their makeup as I am all the time. Sometimes you just want something simple. Sometimes simple is okay, Cheryl. It's alright. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to stay in contact with me, follow me on all my social media outlets. They'll be linked down below. Snapchat is my favorite. I'm on there like almost every day in my daily life doing my daily things. You know what I'm saying? If you really want to contact me, that's where I be at. So yes, without further ado, let's get right into it. Bye. Oh, who's that? Who's that? Who's that little baby? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that little baby girl?